So I got here an update on the Ailun 2-pack glass screen protector, and this is for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So basically, I bought it months ago. It was actually 2 years ago. That was 2 years ago. I bought this glass screen protector, and I'm changing it now. If you see, that's how I that's how bad I've dropped my phone, like a lot. Like I thought it broke, but basically it protected my phone, the front, at least the front. I took it off, and if you see, so this is the I did save the glass screen protector that I bought 2 years ago. So you should save yours, because if you're not trading in your phone, and you will definitely need it once you need to change that screen protector. So I still have that one. I was able to find it. So now I'm changing it because been it's been used up. It's rough. It looks so rough. Like I drop it a lot, where I thought my phone really broke, but now I'm letting you know that this screen protector really is reliable, because if you see, look at my phone is, look, it's still immaculate in the front. The back, I can't tell because I did not put a protector at the back, so it's my fault. But here's the old screen protector. I dropped it more than 100 times already, and the protector broke, but the front screen is immaculate. It still looks perfect. And now I'm gonna show you just a quick replacement. And I'm not even getting a new one. I'm still using the original purchase I did with Ailun. And this was purchased at Amazon. So it was a good purchase. It was worth it. And now I'm just showing you a quick install on it. Make sure your screen is clean. I did clean it up with a soft clothing, so it doesn't scratch my screen. That still is very new because of the screen protector. And then I just use napkin to smooth it out. As long as it's like not rough, you can use the clothing or napkin, and I did that just to take off the bubble from the screen. And it took me a while to replace it, because I mean it works really well. It's just right now I had to replace it because it was hard typing. It was not reading. When I type, it's not reading anymore. Like it's very hard. It's like the screen protector was already so damaged that it's not helping me with typing text messages or browsing online. So I'm just showing you quickly how it's working now, with my screen back to normal. It works very well. It swipes easy and just how it's supposed to be. And I installed it with one hand. You can too. But again, very reliable. It's still available at Amazon right now. So Ailun, Ailun, it's a glass screen protector. I had bought it originally with as a package with a spider case, but look, because I did not put a cover in the back. My back has some cracks on it, so I'll deal with it later. But just letting you know, this screen protector is awesome.